In this video, we'll be talking about activity 11.1, known as case study managing mollusks. Question 1 says, how should inventory policies for sea scallops be established if they are to be kept fresh before preparation, kept frozen before preparation? So to effectively manage the inventory of sea scallops at Tando's restaurant, Tom Jengler, one of the proprietors, he needs to consider various aspects of the inventory control, which includes the preservation of freshness, stock management, and demand forecasting. For fresh before preparation, Tom should aim to minimize the amount of scallops on hand and order them based on a real-time demand, as it establishes a close relationship with the supplier for quicker deliveries. He should also maintain a safety stock to buffer against sudden spikes in demand or delivery delays, and he should implement a system to regularly monitor inventory levels and sales trends that will help identify optimal reorder points and quantities. For frozen before preparation, if Tom is using frozen scallops, then he could order larger quantities less frequently, reducing the risk of spoilage. He should also employ a first in, first out method to ensure that the older stock is used first, which again minimizes the risk of spoilage. And he can maintain a larger buffer stock compared to fresh scallops to account for longer storage times and demand variability. Question 2 says, assuming his inventory policy is consistent with his service policy, has Tom done a thorough and precise job? So while Tom has made progress in assessing costs and establishing a reorder point, his approach could benefit from additional analysis. His demand estimates are based on limited data, and a more detailed analysis using historical sales data would provide a clearer picture of demand trends. He should also conduct a thorough analysis of these costs to ensure that they accurately reflect in his inventory decisions, and his intuitive ordering approach should be replaced with a more structured one, say like economic order quantity or maybe a similar model, which does consider the ordering costs, holding costs, stock out for optimal order sizes. Question 3 says, briefly describe the selection and use of demand distributions for this menu item. So Tom assumes a Poisson distribution for daily demand, which is appropriate given the discrete nature of demand, whole dozens, and the randomness of customer purchases. This distribution does help in modeling the probability of a given number of demands occurring in a fixed period. He can calculate the expected demand and variance to better forecast inventory needs and set appropriate reorder points. And the frequency data that he compiled can be transformed into a probability distribution to inform the expected demand more accurately. So in the end, Tom's approach to managing scallop inventory can be improved by adopting more structured inventory management methods, refining demand forecasting using statistical methods, and consider different storage strategies for fresh and frozen products. Thank you for your attention.